In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived items in Monday.com. Whether you've accidentally archived an item or you're just trying to find something you've archived in the past, we've got you covered. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily access what you need without hassle. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up Monday.com and navigate to the board that you're specifically interested in. Think of the board as the workspace where everything related to your project is organized. Once you have the specific board open, it's time to dive a bit deeper into finding those archived items. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 horizontal dots, which is a pretty universal symbol for additional options or settings. Click on those dots. This menu is a powerful tool. It provides you with a variety of options for managing and adjusting settings for your board. But today, we're focusing on just one of those features. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, you'll want to hover your mouse over the option labeled View Archive Trash. This action will reveal a submenu where you can click on the Archive option. This is where Monday.com stores all the items you've archived from this specific board. Accessing the archive is usually incredibly useful for several reasons. Perhaps you want to restore an item you previously archived because it has become relevant again. Or maybe you just need to reference some old information. Either way, the archive is essentially a safety net, allowing you to pull back any vital information you might need later on. Once you're in the archive, you'll see a list of all the items that have been archived. This section is typically organized by how recently the items were archived, but you can search or sort them as needed. From here, you can choose to restore items back to the board or just review the information. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check before restoring any items to ensure they're needed and will not clutter your current workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully located and learned how to manage your archived items within Monday.com. This feature helps maintain order and efficiency, enabling you to make the most of your project management system. Keep this process in mind next time you need to track down an old item, and you'll be all set. That wraps up our guide for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on using Monday.com efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!